Hi everyone, if you're new here, my name is Supriya. I'm a mom to a teenage son, and recently I've started sharing a little snippets of my life online. To be honest, I never imagined I would become a content creator. A few months ago, I was navigating something completely different, a career break. After spending years working, suddenly being home full time felt strange. There were days when I questioned my purpose, days when I felt guilty for not being productive enough, days when I wondered if I was doing enough. And that's exactly why I started recording these small moments. Not because my life is extraordinary, but because I realized that most of our lives are actually made up of ordinary days. Today's vlog started in the kitchen. I was making pav bhaji for lunch. Now, if you are an Indian, you know that homemade pav bhaji has a personality of its own. Every household has its own version. Some people like it spicy, some buttery, some loaded with veggies, and some secretly want it to taste exactly like the street side pav bhaji they grew up eating. After lunch, it was time to take my son to swimming class. Now, my son is a teenager, which means every day comes with a new face, a new opinion, or a new obsession. And lately, that obsession is coffee. Yes, for years, I've never given him coffee, not even a sip. I was one of those moms who thought coffee was strictly for adults. But somehow, over the last few months, he tasted coffee and now suddenly he's a self proclaimed coffee connoisseur. And by connoisseur, I mean a teenager who thinks every problem can be solved with coffee. Headache, coffee. Tired, coffee. Bored, coffee. Happy, coffee. It's honestly funny watching him discover these little adult pleasures and feel so grown up about them. After swimming, he complained of a headache and immediately requested for a coffee. So we stopped at a cafe, and I have to admit, there was something really sweet about sitting across watching him enjoy his hot cup of coffee. Sometimes parenthood sneaks up on you like that. One day you're packing school tiffins, and next day you're sitting in a cafe with someone who's slowly becoming their own person. And now you realize that childhood doesn't disappear all at once, it fades gently, one little moment at a time. These moments may seem small, but they add richness to our lives. And maybe that's one of the biggest lessons this career break has taught me. For years, like many women, I was constantly juggling responsibilities, work goals, family responsibilities, household responsibilities, the endless mental load that so many women carry every single day. And while I deeply respect women who do it all, I don't think we should glorify struggle. I don't think a woman's worth should be measured by how exhausted she is. I don't think being overwhelmed should be worn like a badge of honor. A woman should have the freedom to choose the life she wants. If she wants to build a career, she should be supported. If she wants to be a homemaker, she should be respected. If she wants to do both, she should be encouraged and supported at the same time. And yes, I understand that for many women, circumstances don't always give them that choice, but as a society, shouldn't we be creating more support, more understanding, and less judgment? Because every woman's journey is different, and none of them are more valid than the others. As for now, right now, I'm learning to embrace this season of life, not fight it, not rush through it, just live it. The vlog ends with one of my favorite part of the day, that is dance class. My little pocket of time that belongs only to me, a place where I'm not somebody's employee, not somebody's mother, not somebody's wife, just me learning, moving, growing, making mistakes, laughing, feeling alive. And honestly, I think every person deserves something that makes them feel that way. So that's my day, nothing extraordinary, no major achievements, no life changing events, just a homemade lunch, a teenager and his coffee obsession, a couple of dogs in love, a surprise langur sighing, and an evening dance class. A very ordinary day, and lately I've been realizing that ordinary days are actually pretty beautiful. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me. And if you're navigating season of change, slowing down, or simply trying to find joy in everyday life, know that you're not alone. I'll see you in the next vlog, guys. Bye.